Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
We're gonna make today fish Lana Kebab, some green rice on the side, and
Tzatziki sauce.
I cannot
One of our favorite.
I cannot pronounce this. Can you say it one more time?
Tzatziki sauce.
You know how I said? Takiki sauce. So she says, you better don't make fun. So I said, you're gonna say what kind of sauce we're gonna do. Okay, so let's start. You're gonna see everything what we're gonna do. There's too many little things, so I don't want to go one by one. So you see as we go along. Okay.
It's gonna be another delicious dinner.
So we're gonna do, as we said before, fish kebab. So let's start grinding the tilapia. Alright, now that I ground the fish, now I'm gonna add inside some dill. So what I'm gonna do is chop them small. And we're gonna add also parsley. Okay, now I'm just gonna chop them all together, mix them, and chop them a little bit more. Now that we chopped everything, we're gonna add everything to the fish. Now I'm gonna grind one onion. Okay, now that we grind the onion, as usual, anytime when you do barbecue and you put onion, unless you cut them for pieces, but if you grind them, you're gonna take the juice out. So the same thing we're gonna do over here, take the juice out. If you don't want the barbecue foam fall out of the stick. So the same thing we're gonna do over here, take the juice out. Okay, let's add the onion inside. And now we're gonna add salt and black pepper. That's the only thing we're gonna add on the seasoning. Salt and black pepper. Margarine. And one of the reasons you add that, you want it to be moist. Alright, now that I mixed everything, I'm gonna cover it and leave it for like half an hour or so. We're gonna cook 1.5 cup of rice. So I'm gonna toast the rice, just a drop, before we're gonna put it inside the water and cook it, okay? So in the meanwhile, while it's toasting, let's go cut the cilantro and dill. This is what we're gonna add inside the rice. I'm making green rice, so I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro and a little bit of dill inside, okay? So let's chop them. Now we make it small. The rice is nice and toasted. Look, show them. Look at how smoke is coming out of it. Okay, we pour it over here. We're gonna take olive oil, approximately this much, put inside, mix it. We put over here 2 cups of water. Okay, so now we're gonna add all our rice over here. Now we're gonna add a drop of salt. We're gonna let it boil. Now that it's boiling, we're gonna put it on low, all the way in the bottom. Mix it one last shot, and cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna make a few different kind of sauce. So let's start with my favorite first. So what we're gonna do is the shred cucumbers. We're gonna blend the tomatoes now. Okay, now I'm gonna chop a little bit of cilantro. Add it inside the salad. 2 pieces of scallion. Salt. Pepper. Mix it all up. That's gonna be when our Lana Kebab is ready. The fish Lana Kebab. You can put that on top, you can eat it together with that, it's gonna taste amazing. Rice is ready, 20 minutes past one. Let's turn off the fire. Mix it a little bit, since all the greenery is on top. Oh my, it smells like borscht. Now we're gonna do tzatziki sauce. 1 cup of Greek yogurt. 2 cucumbers. Just shred them just like that. Now that we shredded the cucumbers, add them to the yogurt. 1 clove of garlic. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. A half a tablespoon of vinegar. A drop of salt. And dill. Approximately this much. And we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, a little olive oil on top and Kalamata olive right over here. Now we're gonna start pouring the fish on the stick, so let's go. Making sure your hand is a little bit wet. Okay, for the first few minutes, I'm gonna put them this way. Let them cook a little bit, and then we're gonna put them on this side. Okay. Otherwise, if you put them straight over here, it's gonna get stuck. They cooked a little bit. Now we're gonna put them on the hard surface. So I'm gonna spray oil a little bit. Right, look how good it looks. Look how good it looks. Oh my god. Cook a little bit shishito on the side, a little bit of olive oil, just like this. You're gonna put them inside. Saute them from 5 to 8 minutes until they're brisket. Now that it's ready, we're gonna add a little bit kosher salt on top. Now that everything is ready, we're gonna plate everything. We have over here the rice with the cilantro and dill. We have over here my favorite salad, which is tomatoes, cucumbers, and green onion. And we have over here my wife.
Tzatziki.
Again, I cannot pronounce it. I call this thing what?
Takiki.
I call this thing takiki, but my wife pronounces it
Tzatziki sauce.
tzatziki sauce. Okay, so my wife gonna go first.
I'm gonna go for the lula, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna put on the lula. Wow, very interesting.
I'm not gonna put any sauce because I really want to try the fish.
Me too.
I mean, first, smells amazing.
I'm gonna take a little bit of the tamina.
Man, that's big. Wow, the fish tastes amazing.
I'm gonna go for the rice alone.
How's the rice?
Tastes like wow. If you know, you know.
Let me try the rice.
Wow, the rice is so good.
The rice tastes amazing. So I'm gonna try my sauce with the fish. Amazing, you gotta try this sauce.
I did.
I'm gonna try my wife is favorite. Try.
Right?
Very delicious. I don't know which one is my favorite, but you can try this and this. Another successful food. Tastes amazing. Definitely try this thing. You can try all different kind of fish. If you don't like tilapia, I try tilapia.
And this concludes our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click notification bell to get notified when we post our recipe videos. And
Guys, if you need anything with jewelry, please check me out at 23 West 47th Street, LB Diamond. Pleasure being with you. Okay, hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Definitely try it. Hope to see you next time.
So
Take care, guys.